Hey, what's up guys? I'd like to show you my little homemade solar water heater. The water right now is at about 64 degrees in the pool. This is the return line coming from my solar collector up on the roof. Let's measure the temperature of this real quick. Remember, the water was 64 degrees. "64 degrees before." It's climbing right up. Almost 80-degree water after the solar collector. Now keep in mind the ambient air temperature today is 72 degrees. So I'm heating that water up above the normal temperature. So I am using 100-watt solar panel. Got a little bitty 12-volt pump that runs on the solar. There's no need to turn it off or extra batteries. At nighttime it goes off. When the sun's up it comes on. So it sucks the water from the pool. Right here, this is your suction. This one pushes up to the solar collector. Let's go look at that. That little pump down there underneath the solar panel feeds all these little runners. This is 1/8" poly line. The rest is 5/8 poly irrigation line. So it has to run through all these little sections here. Each pass it gets hotter and hotter. And then I went ahead and ran about, I don't know, 200 feet of black 5/8 and tied that into the little stuff. So it has to force its way through all of it before it can make it back to the pool. I might make my roof black. That way it will really get hot. Let me know what you guys think.